The case that made the court, Marbury v. Madison, 1803. Welcome to the Quiet Mind Society, where we break down the biggest legal cases in U.S. history in under 2 minutes. Today, we're starting with the case that gave the Supreme Court its superpower, Marbury v. Madison. Let's set the stage. It's 1801, and President John Adams is about to leave office. He's rushing to fill government jobs with his supporters, literally at midnight. One of those men, William Marbury, never gets his commission delivered. So, when the new president, Thomas Jefferson, takes over, he tells the Secretary of State, James Madison, not to deliver it. So Marbury sues, basically stating, hey, the law says I get this job. The drama lands right in the Supreme Court's lap. The Supreme Court, led by Chief Justice John Marshall, has to decide, can Marbury force the government to give him the job, and can the court even rule on this in the first place? Here's where Marshall pulls out a genius move. He says, yeah, Marbury deserves the job, but the law he's using to demand it is unconstitutional, so the court cannot help him. But in saying that, Marshall declared something revolutionary. It's the court's job to decide what is constitutional. That idea, judicial review, gave the Supreme Court the power to strike down laws that break the Constitution. So even though Marbury lost, the court won forever. Every time the Supreme Court overturns a law, from Brown v. Board to Roe v. Wade, it's because of this case. Marbury didn't get his job, but John Marshall made sure the court got theirs, keeping Congress and the president in check. This was Marbury v. Madison, 1803, the case that made the court. And this was the Quiet Mind Society. See you next week from McCulloch v. Maryland, or as I like to call it, the You Can't Tax the National Bank case.